Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Monarch app in your device. Monarch is a budget and track money app that focuses on expense tracking and basic budgeting functionalities. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Monarch. There you can see Monarch Budget and Track Money app. Tap on it. Then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Monarch app to track down your expenses, budgeting and data visualization, and many more features. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.